Hey everyone, in this video series I'm going to show you how I took my home garage and I turned it into a six-figure auto detailing business that does auto detailing, paint correction, and ceramic coating, as well as clear bra, otherwise known as paint protection film. Now, even if you're not an auto detailer, or you're not looking to scale your business to those realms, there's going to be something for everybody in this video series. I'm going to show you everything about my organization, to my automation tricks, you name it, I'm going to show it to you. So I hope that you share with me anything that maybe you think could be done better, or something that you like, but maybe you have an improvement, and I'm going to share with you. And then that way you can build your garage, whether or not you're an auto detailer or a car enthusiast, or maybe you just want a really cool garage. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to look for your feedback. And while I don't usually ask for subscriptions and notifications in my videos verbally, I am going to ask subscribe and notify, so that in the event that I post a new video, because I'm going to be reviewing all the products and everything in here, there's going to be so much content, you're not going to know what to do with it. But it's going to take time, and so I want you to get those notifications so you can see when we have those new videos come out. So stay tuned. We're going to do the first video today, and then we'll keep on doing videos pretty consistently. So subscribe and notify.